Tharikira ikoretwo igitafanio mahinda kwa mahinda muhaka-ini wa Kericho na Kisumu gicigo-ini gia SONDU. Riu nicioete mwerekera mweru ngwatanio ya Azimio ikiuga thayo uraujugo na mithingi ya kiuteti na mihaka. Ndumiriri-ini iria irekereirio ni atongoria ya Azimio matongoretio ni Raila Odinga kuri na uhotekeku munene gicigo giki gia SONDU kiria gikoretwo gikigucanirio ni kaunti ici cieri kiorotereirio mbere ya mihango ya guthurima mihaka weru.
You've seen what's happening there in SONDU. Houses being touched, people being burnt inside their homes. This is something that is horrible. And you have not even seen a statement coming from the government. What we are doing here, we are demanding that the government should come clear and make a statement. And even a minister in charge of internal security would have gone to the scene.
Azimio ni morotete gavana wa Kericho MUTAI tamwe wari amaratongoria UCOGERI wa NGUI gukirikana ni akoretwo akimereria gicigo giki mata na njira ya kwenda kuogokia kwa muhaka wa Kericho.
We are demanding investigations to be carried out against individuals who have been implicated as sponsors of the violence, who include the Kericho County Governor, Dr. Eric MUTAI. These leaders must abandon the expansionist tendency through which they are seeking to extend the boundary of Kericho County with a view of claiming SONDU town. We are convinced that this violence is being sponsored by local politicians who have set their claim on part of Kisumu County during the envisaged boundary review that is coming soon.
But what we are doing is we are calling the government to action. The government is asleep when Kenya is burning. And this is not right.
No thutha wa ndumiriri ya Azimio, Minister wa ugiteri wa thiini Professor Kithure Kindiki ni ekirite mukode ati mbutu cia ugiteri ni itumitwo gicigo-ini giki unyitaniri-ini na county cieri. Magavana na kuma Nyanza ndumiriri-ini ya muthenya wa ira ni marorire thirikari itume mbutu cia GSU gucokia thayo na gikundi kia bunge matongoretio ni mutongoria wa aria nini Opiyo Wandayi makienda President William Ruto atiri icera ria gicigo-ini giki muthenya wa rucio.
It is a shame, a big shame, that we have the PS of Interior, Mr. Raymond Omolo, coming from Karachuonyo, right next to this area of SONDU, quiet and busy organizing political meetings in the region and parties while the people are being killed in SONDU area.
We want the regime in power to suspend any other activities, planned or ongoing, and focus on stopping this killing.
Aikari marauga kuri na wagagu amwe mahonoka gikuo maracinirwo nyumba na mahiu mao makaiyo inyagia riu andu mugwanja ni makuite kumana na tharikira ici. Riria Minister wa ugiteri wa thiini Kithure Kindiki aciria gicigo-ini giki ni acemania na atongoria kuma county ici cieri indi thutha ucio tharikira ici ni icokereirie. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwara kwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.